Welcome back to My Curly Girls and Me. If this is your first time here, welcome to My Curly Girls and Me. And make sure you subscribe and click the bell to get notifications so you won't miss any of our future uploads. Okay, so I just received my curl box and let's see what we got for the month of March. Today is Wednesday, March 18th. March 18th, right? Yeah. Double check. Okay. Let's see. I've been really enjoying my curl. Ooh, this thing is heavy. Ooh, okay. Okay, so let's open it up together and see what's in here. Okay. Upon opening it, here, Lustrous Pink Shea Butter Coconut Oil line. So this is how many products this line has in it, looks like. But we only have 5 of these items. But I only have 5. Okay, so first up I have the Shea Butter Coconut Oil for natural textures hair, sulfate-free moisturizing shampoo. That is the first item. The second item is the moisturizing and smoothing conditioner. Okay, I didn't look as thrilled when I opened the box, but you never know. Because these old brands that we're familiar with from our permed and relaxed days have been stepping up their natural hair products games lately. So maybe in for a rude awakening here. Shea Butter Coconut Oil for natural textured hair. Curl Popping Defining Gel. Okay. I hope this gel is some good. So that's that. Super Moisturizing Curl Definer. It's like a oldie but good. I remember this from back in the day. They threw in one of the oldies. They should just threw in a 5th. Okay, sorry about that. I had to make room on my memory card, but I was saying they could have thrown in one of these, a 5th product from this product line here, because I see a co-wash on here. I see a milk, a moisturizing hair milk, co-wash. They have a co-wash cleansing conditioner. That would have been nice. They have a leave-in conditioner. That would have really been nice to go with that gel. They have a curl and twist pudding. And they have a amplifying gel curl activator. They have a smooth and whole edge gel. And a hair milk. So I got the, maybe other people have some of the other things. Okay, I do have the curl definer, the popping defining gel, the shampoo, the conditioner, and then I have this. Instead of this here, it's been years since I used this here, but instead of this, they could have gave me the leave-in conditioner that goes with this line. And it would have been nice to have that co-wash cleansing conditioner. Like, I would like to see these boxes, like if it's a full product line available, to include the full product line in it. So yeah, they got like, it says 10 terrific curl loving formula. So it's 10 different pieces that go with this line. As you can see that right here. And so it has like some good ingredients. It says shea butter, sunflower, castor, coconut, sunflower, avocado, olive, soybean, wheat germ, jojoba, argan oil. And then the extracts they have is aloe vera, papaya fruit, eucalyptus leaf, lemongrass, marshmallow root, henna, cola nut seed, and chamomile. And then the vitamins, panthenol, provitamin B5. So, and certified, some of it is certified organic. So like, it has some really good ingredients. So yeah, my only disappointment is, like I said, this being in there mixed in with 4 new products when I could have had 5 new products, or even 10, all of them. Like, I would have really been thrilled. But still excited to try them because I haven't. I don't know how new they are. They smells good. The gel smells good. It smells good. Smell the conditioner. Yeah, it's not loud. It's not too loud and fragrance. You have your allergies acting up. Everything smells good. So yeah, that's the March curl box. Still way better than Curl Kits boxes at this point. Well, yeah. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. If you liked it, thumbs it up, and make sure you subscribe. And if you have already subscribed in the past, just make sure, double check to make sure you're still subscribed, because sometimes you get unsubscribed for some reason. I don't know, but make sure you have your bell on for all notifications. And don't be shy, say hi, comment down below if you received the box, or if you're waiting on a box, and if you've tried these products before, if they're new, if they're old, or whatever, because I don't know. But let me know. And yeah, until next time, Lord say the same. You'll see me in the next one. Keep it curly, keep it straight, keep it protective, whatever. Just do you and keep it real.